How can I access the index value in a for loop in Python? Introduction. Python for loops are commonly used to iterate over lists, tuples, strings, dictionaries, files. Example: names equals Alice, Bob, Charlie. For name in names. Print name. Sometimes, however, you need both. Yes, the item, its position, index. A very common Python question is, how can I access the index value in a for loop? Python provides a clean and recommended solution. Enumerate. This topic explains ... how indexing works in loops, the enumerate function, manual indexing, best practices, common mistakes, performance considerations. This is a fundamental Python iteration concept. The recommended solution. Enumerate. Python provides enumerate, which gives check index, check value during iteration. Basic example names equals Alice, Bob, Charlie. For index name in enumerate. Print index name. Output 0 Alice, 1 Bob, 2 Charlie. How enumerate works conceptually. Sequence dash enumerate index value pairs. Equivalent concept 0 Alice, 1 Bob, 2 Charlie. Why enumerate is preferred. Check clean syntax. Check Pythonic style. Avoids manual counters. Readable code. Starting index from another number. Default index starts at 0. You can customize it. Example: for index name in enumerate names, start 1. Print index name. Output 1 Alice, 2 Bob, 3 Charlie. Using manual counter. Older style. Example: index equals 0. For name in names, print index name. Index equals 1. Why this is less preferred. More code, easier to make mistakes, less readable. Prefer. Check. Enumerate. Example with string iteration. Word equals Python. For index char in enumerate word, print index char. Output 0p1 y2t 3h4 o5n. Example with list modification. Numbers equals 10, 20, 30. For index value in enumerate numbers. Numbers index equals value times 2. Print numbers. Output 20, 40, 60. Internal concept loop iteration. Current item retrieved. Current index tracked. Index item returned. Another common approach. For I in range len names, print I names I works, but usually less Pythonic. Why range len is less ideal. X verbose. X indirect access. X less readable. Prefer. Enumerate when possible. When range len is useful. Useful if multiple index operations needed, modifying by position heavily. Real-world examples processing CSV rows for line no, row in enumerate rows, start equals 1. Print f row line no. UI rendering for I item in enumerate menu items. Print fi plus 1 item. Common beginner mistakes. 1. Forgetting tuple unpacking. Wrong. For item in enumerate names. Print item. Output 0 Alice. Correct. For index name in enumerate names. 2. Using manual counters unnecessarily. Avoid extra variables when enumerate works better. 3. Confusing index with value. Example: for I in names, here is value, not index. Performance considerations. Enumerate is check, lightweight, memory efficient, implemented efficiently in Python, usually preferred over manual indexing. Advantages of enumerate: clean syntax, readable, avoids bugs, Pythonic style, Supports custom start values. Best practices. Use enumerate when index needed. Use direct iteration if index unnecessary. Avoid manual counters. Use start equals for human-friendly numbering. Prefer readability over clever tricks. Simple definition. Enumerate. A built-in Python function that returns both the index and value during iteration. Simple definition index. The position of an item inside a sequence. Final summary. The recommended way to access the index in a Python for loop is for index value in enumerate sequence. Example. Names equals Alice, Bob. For index name in enumerate names. Print index name. Output. 0 Alice, 1 Bob. Key idea. Enumerate provides a clean, readable, and Pythonic way to access both index and value during iteration.